Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, as you already, let's see, we already now covering the part four, which is deep learning, the most important, let's see, aspect. So, I already starting with the neural network basic. We uploaded this file here, the video, and with example. And now, which we are now covering, let's say, a back propagation. Let's say the backbone of any algorithm in a machine learning, in a deep learning, which is updating the weights to reduce the error of the algorithm. So because I already covered this in the previous video, as you can see here, it's already covered in this video. It's really explained with example and step by step, and I'm quite sure that you will get the main idea behind this. And as you can see, it's covered every, with of course with example and with the numerical example, step by step how it's working and how great decent is working and how to the updating. And I don't want to, let's say, to repeat this calculation because indeed I have no this file. I already lost this file, so I'm not quite sure if I can do it in a short time. This example. So please have a look, and if you have any question, just drop it down in the comment below. And also, I already attached this file here, back propagation example, so you can have a look. It's really might be helpful for you to go through this document. And as I said, yeah, I'm quite sure you will understand everything here if you see only this document. And if you have, let's say, some doubts, please refer to this video. I will add this in the comment below. Also, I already attached this link here. You can see document example. And yeah, so if you like my videos, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any question, please drop it down in the comment below. I will answer it, of course. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.